get ready to stop. When I say stop, don't move.
Okay, so yesterday, I was having car troubles, and Dad finally managed to have a look at it, and he reckons it's the exhaust, something to do with the exhaust. So he recommended going to an exhaust specialist. So I called them up this morning. They're like, yeah, bring it in whenever you want and we can have a quick look at it, let you know what we can do or if there's something else wrong with it. So that's where I'm going now. I put the bike in the back just in case I have to leave it there for a while. That's the plan for today.
When I say stop, don't move. When I say get it.
Okay, so went to the exhaust place guy. He took one look at it and said, yeah, that's bad. The manifold casing, which is kind of the start of the exhaust system, the pipe had pulled on it and it just kind of teared the side of it open, and that's where the air was escaping, which was making it sound really, really loud and obnoxious. I know what happened. I know how it happened. Quite a while ago I made a video on how I could get my car into the backyard because I couldn't park it out on the street. The ramps that I made have slowly deteriorated over time, and the bottom of my car has been getting closer and closer to the concrete. Sometimes I might scrape it a little, and obviously one of those times has just held onto the exhaust and just kind of torn it off. So I need to do a bit of rethinking about how I'm going to get the car into the backyard because I don't want to be paying this much money every time I park the car. Originally he said that he couldn't weld it because it might be cast iron, but it wasn't cast iron, it was steel, which means that he could weld it. So he's just been welding it all together, bracing it up, shoring it up. I've just been editing on the computer. Been a pretty boring day. But now I'm ready to go and pick it up. So time to ride.
When I say stop, don't move.
Said he's welded it up for me, so it should sound pretty good. Alright, all ears. That sounds so much better.
Hey,
Woo! I gotta work a car.
when I say get it, everybody mess around.
Let's do a quick little comparison. This is what it sounded like before. And this is what it sounds like now. That's so much better. I can hardly hear a thing. Oh yeah. Alright, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.